Welcome to 15 Minute Chef. Today we are going to be making dinner with Brantley. And tonight we're making, what are we making, Brantley?
I don't know.
Okay, we're making jerk chicken for dinner, Jamaican jerk chicken. What we did was we marinated the chicken in Caribbean jerk seasoning, and then we added a little Caribbean jerk marinade to it. And we marinated this chicken last night, so today it tasted really good. So because we can only do dinner in less than 15 minutes because we got a busy life, we are gonna put our chicken into our Instapot, and it's gonna cook in 8 minutes.
Whoa. Cuckoos. Cuckoos.
So when you put it in the Instapot, make sure you put your rack in. I'm going to lay my chicken breast skin side up. Uh-oh, here comes my other helper. He's walking in. And then we're going to put it like that in there. And then we're going to put the rest of our juice right there over the top. Hey guys, you're on camera. Just like that in the Instapot.
What's this?
What is that? That is sweet potato. Yeah. So Brady, this is Brady. He's the other sous chef here in the house.
Everyone gotta go cuckoo.
Hey, you're on camera. People don't want to be seeing cuckoo. So Brady, what we're gonna do for the sweet potatoes is your favorite thing.
Sugar.
That's right.
Sugar
So,
makes kids go
we're gonna sprinkle sugar on it. All over the sweet potatoes. No skin on these sweet potatoes, baby. And then we're gonna put a little cinnamon.
Ooh, cinnamon.
Yeah.
Cinnamon tastes good. That's what makes. I know what you're trying to make.
Yeah.
Sweet potatoes.
Yep. Make the sweet potatoes sweet. So what we're gonna do with that, guys, is we're gonna stick it in the oven and let it bake while our chicken is in the Instapot.
For 8 minutes.
For 8 minutes. So wave bye, everybody. Say we'll see you in 8 minutes. Start opening our Instapot and looking at our chicken. So come on over here with me. So we're gonna open the Instapot and look at that. We got the chicken. So I got my tongs and my casserole dish. We're gonna carefully put our chicken in here. Looking good. Looking good. Looking real good. All right. So now that we got the chicken out of the Instapot, it's pretty much cooked. But what I want to do is I want to add some extra seasoning to it. A little bit of touch of adobo on top. This is some Spanish paprika. And I am going to put it in the oven to touch it up. And in the oven, come on, Spanish paprika. It's gonna make a nice crust on top. Nice and crispy crust. And I'm gonna stick it in the oven with my sweet potatoes that are cooking. Put that right in there. I'm gonna let it cook for a few more minutes. Oh, forgot to add one last little touch. Pineapple. Couple of pineapple chunks to this whole thing. Some roasted pineapple. All right, now we're gonna put this in the oven with our sweet potatoes that are baking, and we're gonna make our salad. Let me move this out the way. So now we have a little mixed green and romaine right here. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna wash our limes and our peppers, along with my hands. Make sure they're nice and clean again. This is a nice different dinner to make. It's a little something different. The kids generally like it because it makes up the routine of, you know, chicken tenders and macaroni and cheese and that kind of thing. So I'm gonna cut the top off of my pepper. These are not spicy peppers. These are called mini sweet peppers. A lot of people don't know, but peppers are actually higher in vitamin C than oranges are. They're also very high in beta carotene. So we're just gonna chop these up a little bit. I just slice them up kind of nice. This is like my new favorite to put peppers. And then I'm also gonna add a little Philadelphia cream cheese. So you'll have the nice spiciness from the chicken, you'll have the sweetness from the sweet potato, and then you'll have the creaminess of the cream cheese with the peppers and the salad. So it all kind of complements each other. You have a mixture of different flavors that are all working together. So I'm just basically gonna make some cream cheese crumbles and put them on here. I usually like to use goat cheese, but not everybody in my house likes goat cheese. They hear the word goat, they get a little afraid. So we're gonna put cream cheese, because everybody loves cream cheese. So there you go. Little chunks of cream cheese all over this. You can also take a piece of these cream cheese and roll them in herbs, dry herbs. That's also very nice if you're doing something a little bit fancier for a party. Come on, man. Okay. Put this in the back. Wash your hands. And we're gonna do some red peppers, because I like to give it a little color. There we go, red peppers. We got a little cream cheese, we got peppers, and in a few minutes we'll be taking out of the oven our chicken along with our sweet potatoes to go with our dinner tonight. So, okay, so now we've got our chicken coming out the oven. It's got a nice golden color to it, right, Brantley?
Chicken.
Our chicken. We got our sweet potatoes, nice and hot.
That doesn't really look like a sweet potato, though.
No, it looks delicious, huh? Don't touch it, it's hot.
It smells like
Deliciousness.
It just smells like hot chocolate.
Yeah, got our sweet potatoes, we got our chicken ready. We're gonna put our sweet potatoes on the plate, right? Ooh, look at that. Nice piece of sweet potato. We're gonna grab our tongs. What you thinking? Looking good? Nice piece of chicken right there, on top of the sweet potato. Looking good?
I want another sweet potato.
Yeah. How does it smell, Brantley? Tell the people what it smells like.
Hot chocolate.
Smells like hot chocolate, huh? Okay, don't put your nose too close. So, and then we're gonna put a little salad with our sweet potatoes and our chicken. How's that looking, Brantley John? Think it looks good?
Decent.
Looking good. All right, and that's Jamaican jerk chicken for dinner. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to our video so we can keep making more videos for you. Stay tuned next week for venison spaghetti and venison taco casserole. Look forward to seeing y'all.